Two-factor authentication, Facebook code not received. So if you want to fix the Facebook authentication code not received, then what you need to do is first you need to simply tap and hold on to your Facebook application, go with the app info, and make sure that you've turned on all of your notifications and make sure that you've allowed the permission of SMS. Once you allow the permission of your SMS, then what you need to do is just remove that, and then you can go with your messages application and make sure that your messages application is updated, because if it is not updated, then you can simply go with the Play Store, search for messages, and then you can update the application. And make sure that you've also turned on the notifications of your messages, because if you've not turned on, then you won't receive the authentication code. Even after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just go with your mail, open up your Gmail. Now go with Compose, which is on the bottom right, and Compose. Under Compose, now you just need to simply go with 2, and under that you need to enter an address, which is support@facebook.com, and you will have that address, and go with subject, and under subject you need to write reset two-factor authentication, and under compose email you need to write hi Facebook team, this is my official account and my phone number has been lost, but I want to use more of my Facebook account, so please give me the reset password access so that I can use my Facebook account. And after that, you need to enter your email address that you've used while creating your account. And on the bottom, you need to enter the mobile number with your country code. Once you enter that, now you need to go with send, which is on the upper right. And once you've sent, then Facebook support will contact you within 24 hours. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix two-factor authentication code not received. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.